Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation, and in this session we are going to see the ternary operator. In the last session we have seen the assignment operator, different assignment operator, where we have seen the shorthand operator too. This is our new class, and the result will be stored into the variable, whatever the variable we are going to use. Then there will be a expression and there will be after expression there will be a question mark, and finally we'll have the two result. Yes, result 1 and result 2. So let's try to understand this expression. So this is the variable means here or in this variable the result gets stored, whatever the result 1 or result 2, it may be depend upon the expression. Okay, equal to with assignment. So expression 1 means whatever the formula we are going to put here, so that is the formula, and as per the formula or as per the condition over here we'll get the result 1 or result 2, and that will be getting stored into the variable. So this is the meaning of this expression. So like integer a equal to 10 and b equal to 20. So here I just declare the two variable and initialize those two variable with 10 and 20. And now if I am going to check the result, so like we can say that integer is the integer c, or result is the variable, and here equal to, then we need to put the expression. So expression can be like a greater than b. This is the expression, and then there will be a question mark, and after the question mark there should be a result. A is greater than b. If a is greater than b, then result is a and colon b semicolon. So let's try to print the result. So let's execute this. Here we have two values, a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, and then I apply the formula like a greater than b. If a is greater than b, then we'll get the result as a. If a is not greater than b, then we'll get the result as a b. So in this particular case a is lesser, not greater, so this is what the false. A is not greater than b, so that's why we will not get the first result, but in the place of that we'll get the result b. So let's take another example to better understand this ternary operator. Well, if we need to find the particular person is eligible for vote or not, so for that I will take integer age equal to 20, that is one of the variable, and here I will write down like string result res 1, because result is already used, that's why I need to use the result 1 equal to, so age greater than equal to 18, then the question mark, then here I will write down like vote, will copy this colon, not eligible for vote. Good. So and finally we'll print the result 1. So here what happened, we have take the variable like 20, age equal to 20, and we are checking is that person is eligible for vote or not. So for that I try to apply the same formula. So variable means string result 1. Why I'm use the result string, because here we try to print or we try to get the result like in a string format, like eligible for vote and not eligible for vote, so both are in string, so that's why I use the string over here. Then equal to, expression is what, age greater than equal to 18, so that is what the expression or the formula, then question mark, then this is the result 1. If this is true, then we are this will be get displayed, or we are getting the result as this one or this one. So as we know that the age is 20, that is greater than 20, so this should be our result or our output. Let's try to execute this. So we are getting eligible for vote, and if I putting like 16, then we'll get the another thing, so not eligible for vote. So this is the another example. So these are the thing we learn in this particular previous session or in this session, like arithmetic operator, relational operator, then logical increment decrement assignment, and now in this session we have learned the conditional or ternary operator. So these are the operator we have seen, but all these operator can be divided into three further section. Does not compulsory, but we can do that. So like unary, I can say unary operator, and then binary operator and ternary ternary operator. So these are in all those thing we can further divide it into this unary, binary, and ternary operators. So unary means that will be apply on a single entity. Unary means that will be apply on a single entity. So single entity means what? Single variable, we can say that. So this plus, minus, multiplication, division, and modulus we cannot apply on a single thing or a single entity. We cannot do this. For applying this thing, we need the two operand or two variable, like in a binary. Binary means 2 and ternary means 3. So unary will be applicable for single, binary will be for 2, ternary for 3. So we can do all this thing with the binary. Then greater than equal to, less than equal to, not equal to, and double equal to. This cannot be done with the single or unary operator. I will put this in a binary operator again. Then we have double and, then or, and not equal to. So this one, give some space, and this one. Okay. And then this is done, and about this. So and or cannot be done, cannot be operate, cannot be used with the unary. So we also need to do perform this with the binary. So I will keep this again in a binary, and this negation operator can be applied on a unary. So that's why I will put this into a unary. So for example, I will keep this here, and then plus plus, that is increment and decrement operator, can be performed on a unary. So I will put this here, equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, and equal to. These are also need to put here in a binary, because here we need to add, like where we should have a variable and some value, like we can say that, for example, here we can say a plus equal to 5. So one variable is required and one value is required, so that's why we need to put over in a binary, first one and second one, that is the binary. So that's why we need to put all this into binary, and then this one, so this we need to put in the ternary. So in this way we can distribute all those operator into three format: unary, binary, and ternary. So thank you.